Okay, so we have some news coming in hot off the press. Sha'Carri Richardson crashes out of the 200-meter semifinals at the US trials. In an article from RFI.fr, it says rising sprint star Sha'Carri Richardson failed to reach a 200-meter final at the US World Championship trials on Sunday. Her last shot at an individual event after she crashes out of the 100-meter first round. Richardson finished fifth in her semifinals with 22.47 seconds, the 10th fastest of the field. All right. So no 200 meters individual event, no 100 meters individual event. She crashed out in the heats in the 100 and now the semifinals in the 200. I guess her weekend just went from bad to worse. All right. Now, with this happening, I doubt that she will be on any relay team, as she didn't even make it out of the heats of the 100. It wouldn't be fair to the other athletes to include her, and I doubt the USA track and field authorities would do that. So it seems Sha'Carri is done. You know what I mean? All right. That's it for now, guys. For everybody who was looking forward to see her go up against the Jamaicans, I guess we'll have to wait until next season or maybe the Diamond League. Leave your thoughts in the comment section because I'm sure you guys have a lot to say about this. And remember, like and subscribe